Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how to find keyword planner tool in Google Ads account. So first of all, you have to log in your Google Ads account and then you can mouse over on tools. Here you can find few options and one of option is tools, and then you can click on planning and then click on keyword planner. Here you can search anything. Suppose I want to search Google Analytics services, and then click on get results, and here you can find all the keywords. And if it is already in the account, any keyword that you can find here in account, that means you are already using this keyword. If you want to add one more keyword, you can select that keyword, and here you can see bidding and all, and you can add to create a plan. You can make it phrase or broad exact, or you can simply click here, and then you can go to campaign, and then inside the audience keywords and content you can find keywords, and here you can click on plus icon, select campaign and add group, and paste your keyword. Here you can find more relevant keywords, and if you click on plus it will add it or automatically, and then you can save it, and here you can see these are added, but you have to click on edit and make it phrase or exact or broad according to your understanding, or you can test it on three matches or methods, and then you can analyze that it's working or not. So you can use all three methods. You can copy, and then you can add again. Here I want to use now this time phrase. You can simply add this and save. So I want to run on both places so I can analyze that which one is providing best results. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box.